right, good morning, guys. Today, our science lesson is going to be reviewing speed. So we remember that speed is distance over time. And I thought you might enjoy doing this little activity. So this is going to help us with both our science and doing some math, because remember that in speed, we need to divide. So let's look at the worksheet. So I will send this worksheet to your parents. I'm pretty sure you can download it from the Gizmo. I will send out the information on how to log into this again in the email to your parents. So remember, distance means how far something is going, and the speed is distance over time. So the speed of an animal is how fast it is moving. A speed of 6 meters per a second means that the animal moves a distance of 6 meters every second. So how would you measure the speed of an animal? You should know that first you'd have to figure out how far they went and then how fast it took them to get there. So for example, if you're driving in a car and it takes you an hour to go 50 miles, then you are going 50 miles per an hour, okay? And so if you were going 60 miles per an hour, you would then know that you were actually going 1 mile per a minute, okay? So what do you think are the fastest animals? So you might be thinking to answer that question, you would pick an animal, but the fastest animals are going to be the animals that go the farthest distance in the shortest amount of time. So let's go ahead and do the warm-up together, and then I'll have you do the activities by yourself. Hopefully you are enjoying using the Gizmo at home. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go onto the Gizmo, and we're doing measuring motion. I will also add this to our class, so you should be able to just go ahead and click on it. And oh, it appears I am not logged in, so it did not add. Okay, I'll fix that later. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to follow directions. It says, you've been sent on an African safari by International Geography magazine. Your assignment is to find the fastest land animal in the world. Your only tool is a video camera. The safari is shown in the measuring motion gizmo. On the Safari Adventure tab, wait for an animal to pass by. Press the record button. Press stop when the animal has passed by. Which animal did you record, and was the animal walking or running? So let's go ahead and see what's coming. Oh, we missed that one. All right, let's just hit. We're going to see what happens. There's lots of animals coming by. And we'll stop. Oops. Okay. So now you can play back. Now, here's an interesting fact. We've got this lion walking, right? But let's stop it when we see that other lion coming. Whoop! Okay. So let's see. So that lion enters the frame at 10 and 2/10 of a second. Now let's see how long it takes him to get out of the frame. So, and then 12.1. So let's look at that. So we've got 10.2 and then 12 and 1. And we're going to have to subtract that out, which is going to give you 1. So 1.9